If you're ever asked to state non-permissible values, just get it out of the way first, because you're going to have to factor the denominator anyway. And if you don't do it right away, you will sometimes forget it, and I don't want you to get punished on a test for forgetting to do something that you know how to do. So just go ahead and state the non-permissible values. So that would be x, factoring here, we're drawing a blank for a second. Oh, there we go. So it's going to be x plus 2 times x minus 1. So there's my factored denominator, which means that x plus 2 is not allowed to equal 0, and x minus 1 is not allowed to be equal to 0. And rearrange those, x is not allowed to be equal to negative 2, and x is not allowed to be equal to plus 1. And now I'm done that part of the question, right? I haven't simplified the polynomial, but I have stated my non-permissible value, so at least I've done that much. Now I get to simplifying the rational expression, and so I have to factor the top, which is x minus 5 times x plus 2. Double checking my work. Yeah, that's right. And then in the denominator, I have x plus 2 times x minus 1. Again, I've already done that from earlier, so I'm just taking that work. So you see that it's not really a big deal finding the non-permissible values. You're going to have to do that work anyway. Then I cancel whatever's common on top and bottom, and I'm left with x minus 5 over x minus 1.